Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then hey, I'm Urmi. Welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll share 3 very simple eye makeup looks which you can wear on everyday basis from your brunch to your office anywhere. So let's get started. So I'll start by priming my eyelid with this MAC paint pot. आपको ये यूज़ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, मेरे पास है इसलिए मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ. You can use concealer as well. And for the eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna be using this one from K Beauty, and I'll use these two blending brush. One is small and one is medium. So for the first look, I'll use this light brown shade and I'll mainly focus it on my crease, and then whatever is left on the brush, I'll bring it on my eyelid. And I'll use that same shade in my lower lash line as well. Then I'll take this brown eye pencil from Just Herbs and I'll apply it very close to my lash line. It does not need to be perfect because I'm gonna be smudging it anyway. And here I'm smudging it with this small flat brush. You can also smudge it with your fingers. And then I'll finish it off with mascara. दिस इज़ परफेक्ट एवरीडे लुक क्योंकि इसमें ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता है, इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ परफेक्शन चाहिए नहीं और ये बहुत नेचुरल लगता है. मूविंग ऑन टू सेकेंड लुक. मैंने पहला वाला आई लुक ऐसे ही रखा है क्योंकि इसमें ज़्यादा चेंजेस करने नहीं है. आई विल यूज़ दिस टेराकोटा शेड एंड आई विल अप्लाई इट ऑन माई एंटायर eyelid and in my lower lash line as well. And to enhance this look further, I'll apply that same brown eye pencil in my lower lash line as well. And that's it for this one. Again, very simple and very easy, right? Now for the third and final look, I've cleaned my eyelid and I've prepped them again. So for this look, I'll take this dark brown and I'll apply it only on my outer V. Then I'll take this lightest matte shade from this palette which also is very close to my skin tone and I'll apply it on rest of my eyelid. और मैं दोनों शेड्स अच्छे से ब्लेंड कर दूंगी ताकि कोई हार्श लाइंस ना दिखे. Now with the help of same brown eye pencil, I'll make a tiny dot on outer corner of my eye, and with the help of small brush, I'll smudge it in a way that it creates a wing. And can you see how soft that wing looks? I've applied brown kajal in my lower lash line as well, and here is the final look. This type of eye makeup looks equally good with Indian and Western outfits. That's why they are perfect everyday looks. Hope you find this video helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye.